If you're seeing a connection error in Slack, the app might not load messages, sync channels, or connect to your workspace. Yeah, this usually happens because of internet issues, firewall settings, or temporary server problems. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through several fixes that often solve Slack connection errors. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Slack needs a stable connection to send and receive messages in real time. Try opening a website or running a quick speed test to confirm your network is active. Next, try restarting the Slack application. Temporary app glitches can sometimes prevent it from connecting to the servers. If the problem continues, clearing Slack's cache can help. Cached data can sometimes become corrupted and cause connection problems. Another possible cause is firewall or VPN settings. These can sometimes block Slack's connection to its servers. Running an outdated version of Slack can also lead to connection errors. Updating the app ensures compatibility with the latest server updates. If Slack still can't connect, the issue might be on their side. Sometimes Slack servers experience outages that temporarily affect connectivity. And that's it. One of these quick fixes usually resolves most Slack connection errors. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.